Avengers! Assemble.
The television premiere of Avengers Endgame, next on TNT.
Ballin'. On a budget? Try the new $1 Your Way menu at Burger King, featuring a flame-grilled bacon cheeseburger. Value this good is hard to find anywhere else. The new $1 Your Way menu, now at Burger King. Your way, way better.
When language learning gets hard,
make it fun.
When your head is exploding, your confidence eroding, when life becomes a strain on your body and your brain, there's a trick to keep on learning.
Make it fun.
When you make a small mistake and you really need a break, no secret or liquor will get you there quicker. Language learning is hard, so we made it fun.
Download Duolingo.
It's Sting! Look at the field! Sting is back on TNT!
This crazy year has just gone insane!
AEW Wednesday Night Dynamite at 8 on TNT or anytime on demand and the app.
Snowpiercer is all that's left of the world.
Surrender my train, or you will die.
I won't give you anything, no matter what you do to me.
Wilford does not call the shots. Snowpiercer does. I built the world. It's mine.
That train is our future.
It's coming for you, like, make no mistake.
Snowpiercer, new season, January 25th on TNT.
What if I told you the best place to begin is within? With collagen that supports our body from the inside out. Because when we feel supported from within, our confidence comes from way deeper. It's within us.
Research shows that people remember commercials with exciting stunts. So to help you remember that Liberty Mutual customizes your home insurance, here's something you shouldn't try at home.
Look, Liberty Mutual customizes home insurance, so we only pay for what we need. It's pretty cool.
That is cool. Grandma!
Very cool. Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
You ready?
Hire for
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States. 15 nuclear bombs have detonated in several areas across the country. They include Baltimore, Boston, Chicago. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone.
We must remember, it's hard.
Look who's coming.
Hello, Pilou. Where are you off to?
Hello, Dr. Frisbee. I'm taking Kelly to the park.
She's a beautiful doll.
Dr.